in the universe? This is a question millions ask themselves every day. Thousands get paid for trying to answer that question. Some of our country's biggest controversies revolve around UFOs. UFO is short for Unidentified Flying Object. Millions claim that they have seen them. I know that I have actually seen one before. It was unlike any aircraft I've seen before. Though many people think that since one person claims that he or she has claimed they see a UFO, that they automatically believe in aliens. Just because someone has seen a UFO doesn't mean they believe in aliens. It just means that they have witnessed an aircraft that they have never seen before or are unable to recognize it. The term UFO comes from Donald E. Kehoe's 1953 book, Flying Saucers from Outer Space. The modern era of UFOs began in 1947 when pilot Kenneth Arnold reported seeing 9 dish-shaped objects flying over Mount Rainier in Washington. The government tried to shut down anything that is related to UFOs, but the sightings kept on coming in, and eventually there were too many sightings and the government couldn't handle them all. One might ask, why would the government try to conceal UFOs? Well, imagine that there is other life forms in the universe. Questions would arise. Are they friendly? What do they want with us? How advanced are they? And do they want to harm us? All these questions can cause chaos, and that would make the world turn on itself, and the people would prepare for the worst. Almost everyone has heard of the infamous Hangar 51, where according to almost everyone, the government is experimenting on aliens and their UFOs so that we can gain knowledge about them. Some people go as far to say we are working with them. They give us specimens which include other aliens or what have you, and their UFOs, and we give them some of our own people to experiment on. A lot of people have heard about the Bermuda Triangle and the bad luck that occurs when people cross it. Many believe that UFOs and the Bermuda Triangle are related in some way. Some say that there's an undersea base where UFOs and aliens are, and that is why every time a plane or boat goes into the Bermuda Triangle, it goes missing and there's no contact with the plane or ship after it goes in there. Many people believe that UFOs have been saucer-shaped ever since they've been sighted. But up until recently, there have been sightings from triangle, square, or even rectangular-shaped UFOs. Many want to believe that we are alone in the universe, because there's no talk about them in the Bible, or that we haven't seen any aliens. And those are fine to believe, but think about this. We have only discovered far less than 1% of our universe. And by discovered, I mean seen through a telescope, not explored. We have no idea how big the rest of the universe is, since our scopes can't really see that far. For the longest time, there were no signs of life. Our planet that could sustain life or really hold any kind of water. But up until a few years ago, scientists have found bacteria from outer space. Scientists have found 2 planets that are Earth-like, and they have a roughly sun-like star. Both of these planets are also larger than Earth. Thank you.